Goji berries, ancient superfood origins.
Goji berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Prized for their vibrant color and sweet tart flavor, these berries are believed to support health and longevity. Ancient uses included boosting energy and protecting eyesight. But how much of this is supported by science? Let's explore what modern research really tells us about goji berries.
What's inside goji berries?
Goji berries are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and fiber. Most notably, these berries are rich in compounds called polysaccharides, which may have health benefits. Their unique nutritional profile is why goji berries are often labeled a superfood in wellness circles today.
Do goji berries actually improve health?
Some studies suggest goji berries might help with immune support, eye health, and reducing oxidative stress. Early research indicates possible improvements in mood and immune function. However, most studies have been small or conducted on animals. There is not enough strong evidence yet to confirm dramatic benefits for humans from eating goji berries alone.
Hype versus reality.
Marketing often claims that goji berries can fight disease, slow aging, or promote dramatic weight loss. However, scientific evidence does not support these bold promises. While goji berries are a healthy snack, they are not a miracle cure. Think of them as part of a balanced diet rather than a single solution for health problems.
How to enjoy goji berries safely?
If you'd like to try goji berries, eat them as you would any fruit, dried, in smoothies, or mixed into cereal. Most people can enjoy goji berries safely, but they might interact with some medications like blood thinners. If you have allergies or concerns, consult your healthcare provider before adding them to your routine.
The bottom line on goji berries.
Goji berries offer nutrients and antioxidants, making them a nutritious snack option. However, the current research does not confirm many of the health claims you might see in advertisements. Enjoy them as part of a varied, healthy diet. And remember that no single food holds the secret to wellness.